Being a house husband has taught me many things that I never really noticed when I was working full-time, especially the small daily chores at home. Today I would like to share a few simple techniques for folding clothes quickly and neatly. Let's start with 5 ways to fold shirts and tops. First, I call it 3-second folding, as you can see spread out viral online. Here you lie down a top like that and you just divide half of this, just machine, okay? And then divide that. Where the cut is, put your left hand over there and your right hand on the top, and then make sure it's the same lines there. And then just flick it like that. And now just flip it like that. There we go. But I personally don't like it. Second, roll up folding, I call it. Put underneath like that. It's kind of like a little bit tricky. I put like that a bit. This can apply to any warm cloth or thick cloth. I like this technique. And then just the same, do the same there. And now either you can roll it or just fold it. I roll from here, and then up here, and you can see there it's already can lock it perfectly. And there we go. You see that? It's perfect for traveling, which one of my favorites. This underflip method, it also could apply on hoodie as well. It's many ways to fold the hoodie one. For example, this one, I could do this way as well. Now let's fold the t-shirt. T-shirt is a little bit tricky. Not many methods can apply. Normally we'll put front and the back like that. So start folding from the back, and either just make it straight, same that way. And now just up around here, and this one is just put under here. There we go, you can see. Nice. Third one, top tuck. Lay down like that and put that way and put that way. Now fold half the same and I fold half the same. There you go, it's top tuck. This method could apply on hoodie or sweater as well. And up here. Now put up here and up here. This is like a pancake this way. It's kind of pocket one. And there you go, can lock it. There, nice, right? And bottom tuck. This is simple one. I just put like that. There. That. There. Here. Here. And you just put under there. It's nice, but it's not my favorite one. And the last one. This is called side tuck or pancake, whatever you call. It's the same under here. There we go. For the side tuck method actually work well with 5 fold for pants, which I'll show you next. Here are 5 ways to fold trousers. 5 folding, which is one of my favorites. which I can use to insert my shirt from pancake folding method as a package. There we go. It's good for traveling as well, this one. Like second, top tuck folding. Can use to any trousers or pant or jean, whatever you have. You can do the same that way. You know? Put up here. Now you just put under here to lock it. Called top tuck, I call it. There we go. And then a nice third bottom tuck. Can do that way, and then do again that way. And now you put up that, and now you can put that way, and this one up here, and this one you can put in here, and then you're done. For this one, I particularly don't like because it's big. This kind of wider, but it's okay. You can put in a drawer. Fourth, roll up folding. This you can roll it until you think around here. Leave a little bit gap. Up, and now you can lock it. So this type of roll up folding is great for traveling, this one, and general folding. How about short pants? Normally the best way to fold a short pant, just fold half like that. Create that gap a bit, and then fold up here a bit, and then just put under here. There we go. And finally, let's quickly fold underwear and socks to keep everything organized. You probably don't want to fold the sock, right? It's just you just put together like that, glue that, and lock together. But if you would like to fold, is another way. For example, there, like a cross one, and put up there, and put up here and there, and use this one to lock. Yeah. How to fold male underpants? This way. Can fold this way. So it create like triangle that way, and now just fold half of that, and they just can put under here to lock it, and then you're done. How about little one like this? If this type of underwear can put up this way, much better. For example, up here, create that shape, and now fold that way, and fold that way, and it's good up there, and now you can lock it from the top here, which is very nice, right? It locks itself. And the same with the woman underwear. Put like that, flip it over, and then create that, and then put that way, and now you just flip where you fold before, flip it up, and then it locks itself like a tuck mechanism. There we go. Hope you learned a few useful tricks today. Thanks for watching.